And we want to go a little bit further north because we know that's where a lot of the snow is still falling. Natalie was talking about how it went from those really big fluffy snowflakes to more of the sleet, a little more quiet there. That's probably not the case when we talk to our next reporter.
Yeah, FOX43's Tyler Poglitsch was able to kind of paint a picture of what he saw on his trek from York up to Hershey, and he joins us now to give us a little more insight into how the roads are out there in Derry Township. Tyler.
Yeah, Jackie and Alex, as you can see here behind me, we're just outside of Hershey Park where it's pretty quiet today, and for some really good reasons, as you can see, there's a lot of snow making its way here in the area. And I'm just gonna start walking and show you guys. We are just off of Chocolate Ave here in downtown Hershey, and as you can see, snow is just coming down all over here. The roads we saw, there was just a few plow trucks making its way on Chocolate Ave, where they're trying to clear roads, but the roads are still very dangerous to drive on. During our last day when I called in with you guys, I was mentioning to you that off of the exit on Hershey Drive, there were several cars pulled off onto the side of the road from the exit on the on-ramp, where police officers had to help those vehicles make their way out of the snow and back onto the roads. So up here where there's more snow coming down and heavier snow, it's getting really dangerous right now for roads. And we were able to speak with one of the drivers in the parking lot of the Sheets that we pulled off into, and he even mentioned the roads are extremely dangerous right now. He's trying to get home to his farm where he has a snow vehicle where he's going to have some fun on his farm, but he mentioned even in a big pickup truck that he has right now, the roads are just extremely dangerous to be on for just about any driver right now.
All right, Tyler, thank you for those updates as well. We know, again, that they're getting a little bit more of that snow up there. You can see a little bit more, but this is kind of just that changeover period. This is the time that our meteorologists were talking about that people need to be aware of as things are changing over a little bit, and roads, well, they are just still a mess. So we're going to continue to get updates from all of our reporters in the fields and our meteorologists that are giving you really the minute-by-minute updates that you need to know to keep you and your family safe. So, Tyler, thanks so much.